So one thing I've noticed is that I forgot to name this bottom layer circle, so we'll do that. And then one of the tough things about working with Flash objects that you've drawn is that you've got this fill, you've got this stroke, you've got all this stroke. If you move it around by accident, things can get confusing. So what you want to do is you always want to make sure that you group your objects. So select and hit Apple or Control G, and that will group your object so that no matter whether you click and drag on the stroke or the fill, it all acts as one object. Another way you can do it is double click and then let's see, where is group? Modify group. There we go. The quick shortcut is Apple G or Control G, but just so you know, it's under Modify Group. It had been so long since I've been here that I couldn't remember where it was. That shows you how often I use it. I just normally go Apple G. So that does the same thing. So now we've grouped our objects on different layers, and we're ready to animate them.